What if you could talk to the cosmos with just one line of code? Introducing CosmoTalker API, the easiest way to get space data in any programming language. Pure JSON. Zero hassle. Completely free. Think of CosmoTalker as your AI space playground. You don't need to learn a new language. Just use the one you already know. Ask any LLM, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, to write the code for you. Give it a prompt like, write Python code to get Mars data from CosmoTalker API. And it generates working code instantly. Because CosmoTalker speaks every language. This is the magic of CosmoTalker. I'm going to copy a prompt from CosmoTalker's playground, paste it into ChatGPT, and watch it write working code instantly. Then I'll ask ChatGPT to turn that code into a chatbot for a child. Watch how easy this is. Paste into Python. Run. Running. And there's Mars data. Beautiful. But watch this. I want more than just a one-time script. Now I ask ChatGPT to evolve the code. Typing. Now modify this into a chatbot that asks the user which planet they want. Make it friendly for a child. ChatGPT understands exactly what I need. Code appears. Look, it adds user input. A loop. Friendly messages. Emojis. Welcome to Space Explorer. Perfect for a child. Which planet would you like to explore today? It even handles errors if the planet isn't found. This is incredible. One conversation. Two versions of code. Tired of this? Module not found. Install this package. Dependency conflict. Every language has its own package manager. Its own headaches. What if I told you, there's an API that works in every language, with zero installations, zero dependencies, zero headaches? Pause. Meet CosmoTalker API. CosmoTalker API is just an HTTP request. No SDK to install, no library to import, no package manager needed. Your language has curl. Use it. Has fetch. Use it. Has requests. Use it. But here's the secret, you don't need any of them. Every language can make an HTTP request. That's it. That's the only requirement. And the response? Pure JSON. No parsing libraries needed. Your language's standard library handles it. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to build me a website. Not a backend. Not an API. A complete, working website. With one prompt. And it's going to work perfectly. First time. No debugging. Watch this. I copy the entire code. Open VS Code. No extensions needed. No NPM. No nothing paste. Save as .html as per your wish npow. I copied the file path and pasted on the browser. This is why CosmoTalker is different. If I asked ChatGPT to build a React app, I'd need npm install. Node modules. Build steps. Probably would break. But CosmoTalker works with pure HTML. No frameworks. No build tools. No package.json. Just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, things every browser already has. That's it. One file. Double-click. Works anywhere. CosmoTalker has evolved from a simple Python library into a universal space API, one that works in any programming language, runs in any environment, and integrates seamlessly with AI. Whether you're a Python developer using pip install CosmoTalker, a student exploring space via GalacticCode in your browser, or a developer building multi-language applications with CosmoTalker's REST API, CosmoTalker delivers pure JSON space data with zero dependencies and zero headaches. And we're still evolving.